Hi, I'm Rahul Desai. I'm the director of IIG. I introduced IIG Bangalore on 15th August 2021 along with Mr. Chetan Kumar Mehta, Lakshmi Diamond Bangalore. I'm having immense pleasure to introduce IIG at Bangalore, South India, the first branch for IIG. And so far we have graduated 40 students. Together with academic education, we also bring in our industry veterans to give a guest lectures, which gives a real-time insight about the markets as well. So students can get more motivated to get into the business of gems and jewelry. It's my pleasure to invite my friends and industry veterans to this institute, so all the students can get benefited, and they can actually get the pulse of the market, and they can plan their future into this industry as well. I'm thankful to all the dignitaries of Karnataka State Jewelers Federation. Today we have Mr. Sumesh Vadera, Mr. Shrikant Kari, and Mr. O.V. Divakar, who felicitate our students with the credentials and certificates. Student had a wonderful interactive session with all the dignitaries, and the question and answer session went very well. From that, student got a lot of insight of market, and we had a wonderful evening today. Thank you to all the dignitaries to visit IIG Bangalore and make this happen. Thank you.